Hey guys, we're finally back. We're on our way now to Springfield to pick up a driver's seat for this car for the BMW. Mine just has a huge hole in it. I'm not looking for anything crazy, so just a stock gray seat. It looks perfectly fine. It has no big scratch or anything. It's dirty, obviously. It's been sitting at a junkyard. I think it's at a junkyard. But besides that, it's pretty much perfect. We're heading there now. But yeah, we've been gone probably for almost a year now, 10, 11 months. I haven't been doing any videos at all, just because of school and shit. But school ends tomorrow, so hopefully we'll start up the videos again and shit like that.
It's 2 miles away, you probably have to go right.
But yeah, I'll tell you guys when we get there.
It says it's 2.9 miles away.
So we messed up. We forgot to get money, so we're only going there now. We're about 10 minutes out, so I'll let you guys know when we get there. Just picked up the seat, probably after about fucking 40 minutes. A little pain in the ass, but yeah, we're heading out now. We don't have the frame of it, but we have everything else, so it should be easy. We'll use some of the old parts, the frame parts from the old seat. But yeah, we're heading home now, and I'll let you guys know where we at when we get home. Just got the seat, McNally carrot.
Got the seat.
Throw it in the corner.
Okay.
Right there. So, not too bad. Let me know. Is it good?
Right.
So yeah, all we got this stuff. So
Oh, did you show him this part?
and then the frame we'll use
right
ourselves. Oh, okay, fair enough. The frame we'll use ourselves. Get off before you break it, you fat ass. Came out good though. Not bad. It needs a good cleaning. Mine has a huge tear across the top. That's why I just wanted to replace it. But guess we'll wash the beamer quick. Hey guys, I didn't get to finish the video earlier. I just washed the car and got everything finished up and stuff, but the car's washed, everything's good, and the seat is over here. I'm gonna install it probably on the weekend. Today's Wednesday, so it's gonna be later on. I didn't tell you guys, but from the guy that I got the seat from, I also got this trim, because in my car, I carbon fibered everything with wrap, and it got a little messed up, and this little tack that's on it broke. So it's like hanging kind of weird right now. So I'm just going to replace it with this one so it hangs good. But yeah, the seat is almost in perfect condition. So I'll show you guys it. So like on mine, it has a big crack right here. All the way across, like probably about 6 inches. On this one, it's good. Has a little string messed up right here, but just cut that up. It needs a good wash. As you guys can see, it's dirty over here and stuff. But if I clean it up, yeah, you're going to see these cracks. But there's no tears in the seat at all. Nothing. It just needs a really good clean. It has a little bit of overspray on the back of it. You might have saw it when Natalie was carrying it. But yeah, once it's cleaned up, it will definitely look better than that. It has all the same wiring, the same heat, and the heated seats, the memory seats, everything's the same. From a 2003 BMW, mine 2004, so everything should be good. But yeah, you guys know the people that are coming back, that I've been off for probably about 10 months of recording, just because it's been busy, school. I haven't had a lot of money to do car parts and all that stuff, but I'm bringing it back, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys like the video, like the video. If you guys want to subscribe for more content, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.